In this video you will see how to add columns in LibreOffice Writer table. It's very easy. To add column, click inside the table and at the right hand side here you will see the option of properties. Click on this button and scroll down. You will see under the table here insert columns before and insert column after. So depending on your need, you can click, for example, insert column before and the column is inserted. If you click on insert column after, the column will be inserted accordingly. You can also right click on the table, go to the insert option, and here too you will see the same options of column before and column after. If you want to add more than one column, you can click on columns and enter the number of columns, for example 2, and make selection you want before selection or after selection. Let's say I will select after selection and then click on OK. In this way you can add columns in LibreOffice table quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.